the killer say you pop to the clock, straight fighters in the trunk, with the gun right red, two lines in the boat that leap so high.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Got an R34 Skyline here that I'm about to start building. Figured I'd take you along for the journey. Basically bought it as a bare shell, bought a donor car, swapped everything over. I will put up videos and pictures and stuff so you can sort of see what I have done. I should have probably started taking more footage earlier. It's a factory manual OV25DE, but it owes me about 5,000 New Zealand dollars as it sits. It's not too bad, but the donor body that I got was crashed from the 5 Fords. A really significant crash, but it did have good rear subframe, good suspension, and bloody good interior. So she's pretty clean other than a couple of stains on the driver's seat. Pretty sure the back seat never got sat in, but yeah, it's a fairly clean car. But I picked this car up on a just a 8x4 trailer. It had nothing in it but front and back window and the two little side windows. And basically swapped everything over. So it's sitting on the factory GTT 17s at the moment. It's got shocks in it but no springs. I do have a set of springs to go in it, which I'll put in shortly. Looking at going RB30 debt, money depending obviously, but I need to just get it ready to be revinned, because in New Zealand it's better to keep it factory for now, because it's been deregistered. It's easier to revin them as a factory car than it is to revin it as a like a highly modified car. So down the track I want to do steel GTR guards, genuine GTR front, all that sort of stuff, but for the moment I'm just taking it back to factory. Nice clean factory, but it's what I've got is a pretty good start. Even like the bonnet pad in the boot, and even the one in the bonnet is bloody tidy, which isn't here. It's at my storage unit. It's got everything, every clip's there. The paint's a bit rough here and there on the body because it was sitting at a wrecking yard. A few scratches there from when they sat parts on the top. But no, it should be good. It did take a while to find headlights and bumper frame and all that sort of stuff. The parts are starting to get quite hard to get. Looking for side skirts if anyone has any. Yeah, I'll chuck up some pictures and stuff for you as well. second project. It's got an EJ207 in it. It's all pretty straightforward, it's just a WRX, but it's gone a bare body respray, so it's looking fairly good, bit grubby, but it did used to be a beater, so it's come a long way. It basically just needs wiring and an ECU to get it going. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see more. Like and subscribe. Cheers.